In the digital age, visibility is everything. Every website, blog, and online store competes for the top spot on search engine results because getting SEO right translates to more traffic, higher engagement, and ultimately increased revenue. It is not just about being seen, it's about being seen by the right audience at the right time without spending a fortune on ads. But the problem is that the internet is flooded with SEO advice, tips, and tricks, and as a beginner, you may find them overwhelming, confusing, contradictory, or worse, some of the advice is outdated and you'll follow them anyway because you don't know if it is right or not. Now, what if there is a place for you to get all your dire SEO questions answered by experts who have been in this field for a long time? Or what about a place for you to get updated SEO knowledge? And how about a place for you to also learn SEO in a structured manner so you won't feel overwhelmed? Enter the Rank Maths SEO course. We are not just one of the leading WordPress SEO plugins, we are partners in your SEO journey, and we have tailored a learning platform specially for you. From the basics of SEO, understanding keywords and their search intent, to keyword research, learning about creating content that captivates, connects, and drives sales, and on-page SEO, to more advanced stuff like link building, technical SEO, off-page SEO, and a lot of tidbits you can't find anywhere else. Anything you can think of in terms of SEO will be covered. And unlike many SEO courses out there, we will always keep the course materials fresh by uploading at least one new video a month, on top of always updating the current content to enhance your learning experience. And that's not all. As part of our community, you get access to experts where you can ask dire SEO questions related to your business, and they will tailor the best advice to solve your problem. So no more sifting through a sea of unvetted advice that might or might not work. So, are you ready to embark on this journey to SEO success? Join us at Rank Maths SEO course because together, we don't just navigate search, we conquer it.